How to book a ride using the Grab app. First of all, open the Grab app on your phone and make sure you are signed into your account. Next, you will see the home screen where you can select the type of ride you want. In the top section, you can choose your ride from options like TukTuk, Transport, GoNow, Remorque, GrabBike or GrabTaxi depending on what's available in your area. Here I am selecting the Remorque option. Once you have selected your preferred ride, you need to choose where you want to go. Tap on Where to and enter your destination. You can choose from recent, suggested, saved location or use Grab Maps. When you are in the map view, you can move the pin or type the destination manually. Then tap on Choose the destination. Now set your pickup location. You can move the pin or type the address manually in the search bar to select where you want to be picked up. After that, tap on Choose this pickup. Next, you will see the estimated fare for your ride. You can also view details like the estimated arrival time and available payment options. If everything looks good, tap on the Book button. Grab will then match you with a nearby driver. You will be able to see the driver's name, vehicle details, and how far they are from you. You can even track your location live on the map. Once the driver arrives, just get in and enjoy the ride. And that's it. Now you know how to book a ride using the Grab app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.